I got a couple of days off, so I decided to go for a drive. It kind of feels locked to stay here at home base all the time, but still I don't really feel like bringing the nest because the weather is not it's not sure it's gonna stay like this. Now it's 10 degrees and nice and no problem, but I know at this time of year we can have snow in a couple of days. So I leave the nest and I only bring the car. But I have found out that I can make so that I can sleep in the car. I don't need to bring the nest just for a short trip. I can just bring the car and use that as well, to live in. Just for a couple of days is okay. It's the first time I do this, so I'm a bit excited to see how it goes, if it's possible for me to live in the car. I can show you how I made the car, how I changed the car a little bit so that I can sleep in it. Have a look at this. Well, here's the car parked, and over there the nest, obviously. So what I have done is, here in the back of the car, I put the seat down, the back seat, and I put the front seat as far forward as I can. And then it's actually room enough for me to sleep. I left the shelf here because, well, I can put stuff up there, so it's easier. The only things I bring for this short trip is in that box over there. So this should be room enough for me to sleep. Let's see later today how it goes. So let's get going. Today the weather it's actually nice. There's 10 degrees and dry, little bit of clouds as you can see, but nice weather, and it shouldn't be too cold tonight. So but tomorrow they're not sure about tomorrow. The weather report is kind of can go two ways, so it is really a beautiful time of year. Well, actually, to be honest, I kind of find that you can find something beautiful in any season. You know, summer the weather is nice and warm, and you can enjoy being outside a lot and don't have to wear a lot of clothes. Fall looks very beautiful with all the colors, and winter you have, well, in Denmark I have to say, if you're lucky you have the snow, and that is really beautiful. But then very often in Denmark at winter there's no snow, it's just kind of like this actually. And of course spring, yeah, spring is beautiful. Got some road construction. Oh yeah, that's right, they're making a new bicycle lane here for the school kids, so they can ride the bicycle to school without having to be on the road. Again here in Slangerup you see they have made a lot of obstructions for the traffic to make sure people don't go too fast. And I see today they're hanging up Christmas decorations. That looks nice. All the trees have almost dropped all their leaves now. It's very few have leaves left. There was actually an apple tree right next to the road with a lot of apples on it. I guess you could say it looks sad when all the leaves are gone. It was so beautiful when the trees had all the colors, but now it's just bare. Still, there's some beauty about that too. Knowing that it will start all over again when spring comes. So now I'm going to find a place to boondock. I want to see if I can find a place near the water. But first I think we should go downtown Frederikssund. Just go through. Drive through. There was a Thai restaurant. That was tempting. I love Thai food. But not tonight. You can see again, they do all they can to make it difficult to go fast. Here they put cobstones and make the road narrow and more bumps and stuff, so people are not tempted to go fast. It's going to be interesting to see how bad the traffic is on the bridge down here. Normally at this time of day there will be a lot of traffic. Let's see. Well, there is a lot of traffic, but it's all behind us. Because I take the trip down through town, then I got around all the traffic. I can see in the mirror that there's a long line of cars behind me. So that was good. Good decision. Wow, it's beautiful at this time of day. It really is. I had actually planned to go to the left down here, but I think I'm gonna go right and then go to the western side of this peninsula. This place called Kulhuset. I've never been there before, so that would be and well, got nothing else planned, so that is beautiful up here. It really is. Wow, look at the forest. There we passed Kegness Havn, Kegness Marina, where I have stayed a couple of times. But I decided this time I'm gonna go further. Let's see what we find. You see, the area here to the left of us is actually all military area. It's a training ground for the military. All the buildings, all the houses are empty, and they're using that very, very big area for military training. And it actually looks like the area on the right also. Yeah, there's a sign. So the road is okay to drive on, but on both sides of the road there's no entrance. Cannot go. I see some of the fields are actually farm fields. Some of the houses people live in, but there's a lot of military area up here. And you see those signposts and stuff with the yellow and black, that means it's a military area. I actually don't know if there's a place where it's possible to boondock, because in this area I'm not allowed to stop. I can drive through, but I'm not allowed to stop. Oh yeah, right there. It even say parking. So let's see if we can. Let's go for a walk, because this looks good. Because of the time of year, I think this will be a great place to boondock. There's absolutely no one here. But let's just go have a look at the sunset first. Does that get any more beautiful? I don't believe so. Here you see the stair down to the beach. It's quite long and steep and very slippery. There, my boondocking place. This is just wonderful. This is ideal. I'm gonna go down to the beach because this is just beautiful. Look at the water over there. Let's go down this stair. Looks like it's low tide. I'm very happy I made this decision. This is just wonderful. What a view. It's I was getting too comfortable back at winter home base. And then when I saw the weather like this, I was thinking, well, it's time to get out there. And I had the day off today, and I got all the stuff done that I needed to do. And now I found out I can boondock in the car as well. Makes it so much easier. This is just incredible. I'm gonna enjoy the sunset and then just kick back and relax. I'll turn the camera around so you can see the sunset as well. It's okay with room here in the back of the car. I'm leaning on the front seat, and it's possible. There's not a lot of headroom. If I sit up, I don't really have enough room for that. But when I lean back on the front seat, then it's fine. So I can sit here, I can put the laptop, watch a movie, watch some Netflix or something, and well, kick back and relax. I'm happy that I found out that this is possible, that I can boondock in the car. It's going to be exciting to see how cold it gets. Not that it's not going to be very cold tonight, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. But as you know, it's the first time that I boondock in the car. So, but beautiful area I found here. Beautiful boondocking spot. When it comes to food, I have found some food that I'm going to have for dinner. It has to be easy because I didn't bring any cooking gear or stove or anything, so I have to eat it cold. I bought a packet of mini frikadelle, small meatballs. I can eat them cold. And then I'm actually trying to just be a little bit healthy. A bag of small carrots, baby carrots, and I think these two things, then I'm gonna be alright. Then I'm gonna be full. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take out the laptop and watch some Netflix or watch the news. Something. See you in the morning. Bye bye. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. It's like 6:30, and I better get ready. I need to go to work today, so I slept in the car, and I actually had a good night. I slept good. It's cold, but not too bad. I didn't feel cold during the night. I slept all the way through, so that's fine. So now I know this is fully possible. I can go boondocking using the car alone. I don't need to bring the Nomadic nest every time. So that's really neat. Oh. So that's good to know. as I say, I'm gonna get ready and go to my workplace, have a shower, and then go work. So it's still dark outside. I think it's gonna, I don't remember what time, but I think it's like 7:30. The sun is gonna come up. So it'll be a while yet. So, but this was just to try, just to see if it's possible, and it is. So now, you know, let's go to Octavia. It's big enough. And I'm a big guy. 6'2", and I can sleep here. This opens a lot of possibilities. I have thought about, first of all, here during the winter months, where I leave the nest parked at the winter home base. Now I know I can go boondock, just bringing the car, and it's perfectly fine. And also for the summer holiday next year, 2017, I was thinking maybe go down through Europe, and I was thinking maybe just bring the car. And, well, that is possible. So, that's good to know. Well, I'm gonna get ready for work. And, see you guys later. And remember, life is good. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.